Hostages is sort of a show that takes the general liberties towards possibilities and logic, but that hardly comes in a way of you towards moving to the next episode. Hey guys, this is Pankaj Veer and you're watching me on Reviews Unplugged, where you get the real insight. A quick clap for Applause Entertainment, a production house who has churned out fairly binge-watch worthy Indian web series. The recent addition into this is Avrodh, A Seas Within, which is currently streaming on Sony Live. Applause Entertainment latest offering is Hostage Season 2, which has been directed by ace veteran director Sudhir Mishra. The show is largely faithful adoption of an Israeli web show with the same name. I firmly advise you to watch Season 1 first, then to go for Season 2, because unless and until you watch Season 1, while watching Season 2, you're gonna feel disconnected. Before moving ahead, just a small recap of Season 1. An ordinary family life gets upended when a motley group of masked men barged into their house and held them hostages. The lady of that family, Dr. Meera Anand, who is a renowned surgeon in the city hospital and preparing herself for a big day when she has to do a surgical procedure on Chief Minister Handa, has been asked by those masked men to kill CM Handa while doing the surgical procedure. Now she is in tantalizing moral dilemma. How tactfully Dr. Meera Anand saved her family from the hands of those masked men is worth watching in Season 1. Of course, the moral dilemma was seemingly tantalizing. The big politician life is at stake with the conspiracies and the betrayal at every turn. Plans never seems to be go that well. Going ahead with Season 2, Dr. Meera Anand's family found closure in Season 1. But the show picks up exactly from that point where it left off in Season 1. There's even bigger plot to play. Yet another hostage situation for Prithvi and his crew. This time, it is dilapidated, abandoned and ramshackle bungalow setting up for drama. A number of offshoot tracks tied into the main narrative. In fact, there are side stories all over the places. Prashad sexually harassed, and a minor character reminisces about his son and a broken family while in captivity. New character appears late in the season. There's even more elaborated angle involving geopolitical relation with Bangladesh. Well, it all means to add some texture to the show. There are hits and misses, depending upon how much you want to make yourself indulged into. Season 2 amps up proceedings significantly, with few familiar faces and big names joining the scaled up production. Coming to one of my favorite segment, 5 pointers: cast, plot, direction, what's wow and Reviews Unplugged rating. Talking about the cast, Prithvi Singh, the character played by Ronit Roy, a super cop character turned into hostage situation creator, remains the anchor of the show in Season 2 as well. Me as an audience, honestly speaking, I found the Ronit's character performance little average. I put Ronit into those list of actors who keep on doing their work just for the sake of doing their work. I mean, it feels really strange for me that despite of being into the film industry for so many long years, why he's so expressionless in front of camera. Watching his performance is just like having a boiled egg without salt. Aisha, a character of hostage negotiator played by fine actress Divya Datta, definitely gonna keep your interest up through the entire season, but honestly speaking at a superficial level. My favorite bite of the seasons were the moments where the Roy's character of an ex-cop Prithvi Singh comes up against the Datta's character of hostage negotiator Aisha. You can expect sparks to fly. Well, it ends up to my surprise that it were just few of them to savor through. ATS Chief Karnail Singh's character played by veteran actor Kamaljit Singh. I thoroughly enjoyed his character throughout the season. The character is never under control of the situation, though he seems a little awkward with the abusive words, but the actor always has an enduring presence. Shikha Pandey's character of a young intelligence officer played by Shweta Basu, who discovers the trail and chases after him with gutso. Her character is quite similar to her personality in her turn in Tashkent 5. Performance of Dino Moria as Ranbir and Shivani Dandekar as Isha were pretty average. They have explored nothing much in the narrative. Talking about the plot. If you are interested in anything, it is the plot of the narrative. The show never let you forget about its title. With hostage becoming the currency that moves the plot forward, so over and above hostage situation, the various sides resorts to taking other people hostages at multiple points throughout the season. Well, as usual, the episodes ends at intriguing hooks. If all else fails, you can get a hacker into the mix to keep the story moving. Coming to the direction, Sudhir Mishra is credited as the series director, with individual being shot and directed by Sachin Krishnan. Undoubtedly, he has largely done a decent job as a cinematographer. From the technical front, high-key backlight has worked well to depict the proceedings in a dim crumbling mansion. Talking about the what's wow moment, it's like any other binge watch. If you've got nothing to watch on a lazy weekend, go watch it. Otherwise, there's nothing I can say there is a particular moment or particular scene where you think, yeah, it's worthy watching this web series. There's nothing what's wow moment particularly in this 2 seasons. Talking about the review unplugged rating, just 2.5 stars for choosing the right story. In the end, I would like to say that new Hindi originals have always piqued my interest because of immense possibility in the space. Few turn out as good as Patal Lok or Mirzapur, which is currently streaming on Amazon Prime. With language no longer a barrier and a gigantic collection to choose from, most Hindi original can be safely skipped, and Hostages is no exception. But for some quick binging and 2 breezy season is out to take up your time, the Disney Plus Hotstar show might just hold you captive for a weekend also. So friends, how do you like my reviews? Please do mention in the comment section, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. For more such reviews, you can follow me on Twitter and Insta. My Twitter ID is @beer_Pankaj and my Insta ID is reviews_unplugged. So it's time to say goodbye and namaste.